Journalism here at University of Limerick, we're a well-established programme here. We're well embedded in the structure of the university and our facilities are second to none.
One of the things I really love about the course, it's really practical. So it's not just about the academic and like learning theory and things, it's about getting your work published and getting your name out there.
The journalism aspect of the university here is impeccable.
In UL we give you the basics, so people who have no background in journalism and also people who are coming from industry and want to specialise in a particular area.
The journalism degree here in UL, it really helps students and equips them with skills that are very transferable to other careers such as PR or communication roles and indeed marketing.
We're very flexible in terms of how we deliver our course. Small class sizes, lots of one-on-one mentoring and lots of time with instructors.
You get to build a really personal relationship with your lecturers.
There's always been someone there to reach out to answer your questions. It's been fantastic in that regard.
Students who study journalism here in UL are constantly working to develop that all-important portfolio. We're encouraging them right from the beginning of first year to do work that could be published of that standard.
Students do real-life investigative journalism and they go out and uncover real problems in society and get them published.
One of the key selling points of the course is that we offer placements.
When the students from UL come and work with us on their placement, we find they are ready to go.
I've got a huge love for Limerick as a city, and coming at it from a journalist perspective, you get to see the city in a whole new way.
There's always so much stuff to get up to here, so it's definitely a great place to study and live.
When it comes to the actual most important part of what I've learned in the course, the networking and the communications.
To be building contacts before you enter an industry is huge.
The experience that they get in UL is unique to any other place I've seen. They print their own paper, they have newsdays, they do social media, they publish to websites, all before they get to us. We find everyone that comes in is driven, really enjoys the job, and we love having them.
I would say my main bit of advice for anyone wanting to do journalism, everything is there for you, it's just about you getting stuck in.
With journalism, you can connect with people on a whole new level.
Always put your best foot forward and be yourself. Best decision I've ever made in my life.